Hi there. Today we are going to talk about the essential skills needed to become a data scientist. According to a recent report by Nasscom and Zynga, the number of data science jobs in India is predicted to grow 16,500 by 2025 from 2,720 in 2018. There are three main types of skills you will need. Programming skills. Data scientists need to attain extensive knowledge in programming languages like Python, R, SAS, and SQL. Data organization and management. Data scientists need to protect with a huge pool of unstructured data and hence need to know the techniques of data cleaning, sorting, and organization. Statistical analysis. Data scientists have to work on advanced machine learning models that require them to know extensively about statistical analysis concepts such as linear regression. Demand for data science jobs are only growing in India. DataSpace Academy is offering job-ready data science courses that will help to develop all the skills and more through hands-on projects and expert instruction. My personal recommendation is to focus on developing strong technical skills first, as these form the foundation of data skills. Do you have any suggestion or question about data science skills? Let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to check out DataSpace Academy's data science courses for comprehensive training in all of these essential skills.